Speaking of factories, though, having issues, earlier in the year, a Renesas-owned chip plant in northeast Japan, they were hit by a fire earlier in the month, and the company said it would take at least a month to resume production. And this is a big deal because this is semiconductor chips. There's been a worldwide shortage of these, and now they're saying that the damage from the fire in this factory could be a lot worse than people thought. So Renesas Electronics Corp, they now believe damage from its fire were more extensive than first thought. Initially, they thought it was 11 machines that were damaged, but now they're thinking around 17 machines were damaged. And the problem with this is that, first of all, this affects all the electric vehicle makers. It affects, all electronic components. But the problem with this is that originally they said that they would be able to get back up and running fairly quickly, in about a month, but replacing damaged machines could take several months. So even though they may get back up and running, now it's almost double as many machines as they thought are going to be damaged. And though it takes a lot longer to replace the machines, they said, than to just get back up and running. So that's a big deal. And this company accounts for 30% of the global market for microcontroller units used in cars, and 2/3 of the chips produced at the facility are for the auto industry. This is not good because a lot of electric vehicle companies have been already struggling with this. This chip shortage has been affecting all of them. It's affected Ford, GM, affected even Tesla.